Hi guys, welcome back to another product video by Daniel and John, and we're looking at a product here called Spray-Putty. It's made by a company called MOTIP. Basically it's for fixing small irregularities in the surfaces of wood, metal and aluminium. It's a fast drying acrylic spray. You need to shake it for 2 minutes after degreasing. Spray a sample first if you've never used it before. And it says you can apply several layers of it. You need to do it in the right temperatures. That's important for spray paints, and it's fully hardened by 2 hours. And what we're using it for, John?
Well, we bought an old van and we've got lots of very rough
bits,
plastic. Now,
yeah.
I know it doesn't mention plastic on this, but I've seen various reports of people using it on plastic, so we're going to give it a go. And the trouble with this stuff is these scratches and stuff, some of you just can't get them out because you do more damage, so we're going to try using this. We've already applied some on here.
So this goes on like a normal spray paint, but yeah, it's like a cream beige sort of colour, and you can apply it in several coats. Goes on very nice as well. Sprays very nice.
Now I'll just say we're not car bodywork people or anything like that. We're just trying to come up with a sort of cost-effective solution for making this look better than it was.
We have filled this with proper filler, but we just want to kind of just give it a surface glaze of this stuff and then sand it lightly so it's a better finish.
Yeah, let's dry off. Probably put another 2 or 3 coats on.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back to you and show you what finish we got on this.
Yeah, just in case you're thinking about buying this one, and if it'll work for you.
Only just over £7 a tin. Right, so we've now applied, say, 3 coats of this onto this plastic bumper corner, and a lot of the minor imperfections have definitely gone, and depending on what level of finish you want, you just keep applying this. I would point out, before you apply this onto any plastic, it needs priming up with a grey primer, acrylic primer. We use Simon's SIMONIZ primer, and that has worked for us. So
use some of this stuff.
Yeah, we use that to prime the plastic first, and then applied this.
And it's compatible between the two, isn't it?
Yeah, it's acrylic. I'd say this is an excellent product.
Yeah, it does exactly what it says it does.
Really easy to apply, nice even spray nozzle, and has lifted this no end, really. But I'm saying it depends what finish you want, but I guess this is great for alloy wheels and all sorts of things. Metals
and everything, yeah.
Yeah, wood. So, you know, if you're into crafts, it's great.
They use this for 3D models as well, don't they?
Yeah, when they've printed them out of the coil, just sand and put it over it. But I say the trick is, you must put a bit of primer on.
Yeah, it says on that instructions to do that as well.
I leave this for 24 hours. We've left about an hour between coats.
You gave the primer a bit of a key, didn't you?
Yeah, I've used 240 initially on the plastic, 400, then I've actually used 600, then a bit of 1000 just to fine finish, and this is sandable afterwards, so you can get a real fine finish.
It says to leave this for a couple of hours and then sand it.
Yeah, it does sand,
but it's warm in here, so
we've done a little bit of sanding there. When you do sand, it comes to a nice smooth gloss, almost like clay finish, so you can definitely get a real good finish on this. So I hope this has helped you if you're sort of trying to renovate and recycle your bumpers, or a bit of renovation on something. It could be wood, plastic, anything.
You just want to get a finer finish.
And just get those little scratches out where you can't. Doesn't matter what you do. You just, without doing more damage, you need to sort of fill it. But using ordinary fillers just creates a lot of extra work sometimes. So this spray stuff is ideal for that. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this, thumbs up would be appreciated.